So in Georgia, we have, with our learning management system, over 130 specific LTI integrations, and a total across our 26 institutions, almost 600 individual integrations. So the LTI standard is absolutely essential to our being able to provide and integrate the kind of tools and services that our faculty need to teach.
Terrific team effort, takes LTI to the next level, offers a lot of features that were previously available in other more separate ways, now as a package.
OneRoster is definitely, it's proven. It's a proven technology in the rostering world, and I think rostering is becoming more and more important in the state education agency role, because the state education agencies have that rostering data in their data systems, in their databases, and so it's a natural service that they can provide for districts. And OneRoster is certainly an important standard that can be used, and it's been used very successfully in numerous different use cases, so I think it's very important.
Well, teachers need to have a seamless experience when they're using technology tools and resources, and really they should be able to learn for themselves how to use the tools because they should be that intuitive. So with things like OneRoster, it really helps teachers to keep from having to create their own roster of a class. It's just done for them through integration with our student information system. It also enables the teachers and students to be connected to the correct course in the curriculum. It also allows data to be transferred from the assessment system back to the student information system so that teachers don't have to re-enter or manually enter grades from one system to the other. We want it all just to work for the teachers and students, so then that way they can save on instructional time and quickly get to the matter at hand, which is teaching and learning, instead of having to worry about how they should use all of these technology tools or how they should connect all these technology tools. We want the systems to be smart enough to take that work off the teacher's plate.
So CASE is, again, very essential to what we're trying to do in aligning competencies, having some consistency across our institutions, and also between different sectors, K-12, our technical colleges, and to enable better transfer and transparency across our institutions.
CASE is a glue that ties together digital learning artifacts and competency frameworks across the web.
I think CASE is going to allow a smooth transition from the state role in standards development to the district responsibility around curriculum development. So rather than breaking a PDF here, right, and then having somebody recopy the standards and build the curriculum off of a paper document, we're allowing that transition to happen seamlessly at the district level. They can consume the standards as we've produced them. We've got an amazing team at writing those standards and having them taken in the form that they were intended and moved in without any modification because somebody needed to type or change the amount of letters that were allowed in a spot is a great advantage.
I am extremely excited by CASE because CASE supports what I call the birth of education. Without a standard, you can't teach, whether it's a competency or a standard. You need what are you going to learn? And CASE enables that, us to define what you're going to learn, but it also enables everything downstream, which includes a learning object repository, LMSs. So you can actually provide efficacy to the content and curriculum that you're buying to the standard, because you can actually tie this together with by starting with CASE. It enables everything else in our ecosystem in order to measure, is it effective, so we can change.